basta text na lang yung page. Para pwede game mo dala ng pagkain. Very, sobrang talented guy na passionate siya about music. Yun nga, palagi na lang sinasabi na either ka, takot na lang umiyan yun.
Over million.
So, just try, parang ikong mahinder sa mga na things na natatakot ka. Tapos, very reachable. Ano lang siya, go lang siya ng go. Then he keeps on learning. Yun yung maganda kay Josh, he keeps on learning. And I hope na she starts your college parang season. Sana, parang masyadong girls pero okay lang.
Grabe! Mga boys mo eh!
Gaglada! Anyway, basta do your best. Be the best on your craft. Siguro yabak yun, may future ka. May I see sobrang, there's plenty of things in store for you. I hope na you never stop saying na you have parang dreams will come true. Na just stick on, siguro there's some challenges, there's some things na nahihirapan ka, just trust God lang for it. Maybe owning your character, or maybe changing some things sa'yo, is thinking some stuff, para kung ano talaga yung Josh na gusto niya mangyari sa buhay niya, yung purpose niya. So just keep on fighting natin. Just striving for God and for Him. So yun, so pray lang tayo.